Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to log out of your Facebook account on iPhone. Completely delete all your personal information. Let me show you in this quickly video. You need to make different things. It's the first, open your Facebook app. When you are here in your Facebook app, in the corner, in your profile in the corner, can you watch 3 lines? Those here, I'll scroll down and can you watch the last option, logout. Logout and yeah. This is now when you are here, you need in the corner, can you watch 3 points, those here, and then remove profile from this device. Select your Facebook profile and remove, but not is all. You need to make different things more. Okay, one thing more. Now when you are here, when you remove your Facebook profile, okay, in your screen, in your lobby here, okay, home screen, scroll down. Now when you are here, write password, and this is the first option. Password is the official app on iPhone. In this app, iPhone save your password. Okay, you just need try open that with your Facebook Face ID or your code. Open and try to find your Facebook. If you have Facebook here, okay, delete that account. Okay. And this is all. It's so easy and really fast. If you not find your Facebook, don't worry. Let okay. Close. Doesn't matter. Okay. Now this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English. I know that it's awful. I hope that this information works for you. If works for you, let me know with a like or in a comment. Okay. Help me. And this is all for this video. Sorry for my bad English. I just try to get more speaking when me speaking. Have a good day. See you later.